What does $32 million get you in a car? It gets you, well, not just speed, not just luxury. Today, my petrol-fueled friends, we're counting down the 10 most expensive cars in the world. Buckle up, because number one on this list, let's just say you'll be reaching for your smelling salts. Kicking off our list at a measly $3.9 million is the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. Underneath that sleek aerodynamic bodywork beats a heart of pure fury, a quad-turbocharged W16 engine. 16 cylinders of pure, unadulterated power propelling this beast to a top speed of 304 miles per hour. Only 30 of these beauties were ever made, which makes them rarer than hen's teeth. And with the world going electric, that W16 engine is a dying breed, a magnificent dinosaur roaring its defiance at the dying of the light. This is a car that demands respect, a car that yearns to be unleashed on a track. Just try not to think about the insurance premiums, eh? At number 9, we have a car that looks like it was designed by a team of highly caffeinated aliens, the Lamborghini Veneno. Lamborghini only built 14 of these extraterrestrial automobiles back in 2013. We're talking a price tag north of $4.5 million, which is a lot of dough for something that looks like it could slice through concrete. But then again, that's part of the Veneno's charm, isn't it? It's outrageous, it's impractical, and it's got a V12 engine that screams like a banshee on a roller coaster. Still, a chap can dream, can't he? Coming in at number 8, we have a car so flashy, so ludicrously opulent, it makes a gold-plated toilet look like a bargain bin find. I am talking, of course, about the Koenigsegg CC's XR Trevita. Only 3 of these shimmering automotive marvels were ever made, each one coated in Koenigsegg's proprietary diamond weave finish. They take real diamonds, grind them into a fine dust, and then weave them into the carbon fiber bodywork. But the Trevita isn't just about bling. Under that sparkling exterior beats the heart of a true monster. A 4.8-litre dual supercharged V8 engine churning out a tire-shredding 1,018 horsepower. Is it excessive? Absolutely. Is it ridiculous? Undeniably. But you know what? I kind of love it. At number 7, we have a car that's about as subtle as a brick to the face, and twice as brutal. This, my friends, is the Pagani Huayra Imola, and it's here to make you question everything you thought you knew about physics and good taste. Named after the legendary Italian racetrack, the Imola is the most hardcore, the most extreme Huayra ever unleashed upon the world. It's a $5.4 million love letter to speed, a symphony of carbon fiber, and a testament to the fact that sometimes too much is never enough. It's a raw, unfiltered adrenaline rush, and only the bravest, or perhaps most foolish, drivers need apply. At number 6, we have a car that proves Bugatti isn't just about straight-line speed, they can do corners too. Introducing the Bugatti Divo, a $6 million track-focused weapon that's as beautiful as it is brutal. Limited to a mere 40 units, the Divo is named after the legendary French racing driver Albert Divo. While it might share the Chiron's monstrous W16 engine, the Divo is a different beast altogether. It's lighter, more agile, and thanks to some seriously aggressive aerodynamics, it generates almost 200 pounds more downforce than its sibling. It might not be the fastest car on this list in a straight line, but through the twists and turns, it'll leave the competition eating its dust. At number 5, we have a car that's more than just a car, it's a statement. A one-off masterpiece that blends the best of both worlds, the opulence and luxury of Maybach with the raw, unbridled power of a muscle car. This, my friends, is the Mercedes-Maybach Exelero. Built in 2005 for Fulda tires, this 700 horsepower V12 coupe is the automotive equivalent of a bespoke suit. You might recognize it from Jay-Z's Lost One music video where it played the starring role. And with only one in existence, it's about as exclusive as it gets. Coming in at number 4, we have a car that proves Bugatti has a sense of humor. Behold the Bugatti 110, a $9 million love letter to the legendary EB 110 supercar of the 1990s. This car is not just a tribute, it's a full-blown homage to one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history. The EB 110 was a marvel of its time, and the 110 takes that legacy to a whole new level. Only 10 of these bad boys were ever made, and they sold out faster than you can say inheritance. Imagine being one of the lucky few to own a piece of automotive art that is as rare as it is expensive. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a symbol of unparalleled luxury and exclusivity. And what do you get for your $9 million? The same 8-litre quad-turbocharged W16 engine as the Chiron, but cranked up to a mind-bending 1,600 horsepower. This engine is a masterpiece of engineering, delivering performance that is nothing short of extraordinary. Enough to power a small village, or in this case, propel you to 60 miles per hour in a neck-snapping 2.4 seconds. The acceleration is so intense it feels like you're defying the very laws of physics. It's a rush that only a select few will ever experience. The 110 is a celebration of Bugatti's heritage, a modern interpretation of a classic design. It seamlessly blends the past and the present, creating a vehicle that is both a nod to history and a vision of the future. It's a car that's both familiar and utterly unique, a rolling testament to the fact that even Bugatti's tributes cost more than most people's houses. The 110 is not just a car, it's a masterpiece, a work of art that embodies the pinnacle of automotive excellence. At number 3, we have a car so special, so rare, it's practically mythical. This, my friends, is the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, the final iteration of the legendary Zonda. Only 3 of these open-top beauties were ever built, and one of them belongs to Horatio Pagani himself. The HP Barchetta is the epitome of automotive art, a symphony of curves and angles crafted from the finest materials known to man. It's powered by a naturally aspirated 7.3-litre V12 engine that sings a glorious mechanical symphony, producing 789 horsepower. Rumor has it that one of the 3 HP Barchettas sold for a cool $17.5 million. At number 2, we have a car so exclusive, so shrouded in secrecy, it's practically the automotive equivalent of the Holy Grail. This, my friends, is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, and it's not just a car, it's a legend. Inspired by the lost Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, one of the rarest and most beautiful cars ever made, the La Voiture Noire is a modern interpretation of a classic design. Bugatti hasn't released much information about the La Voiture Noire, which only adds to its mystique. We know it's powered by the same 8-litre quad-turbocharged W16 engine as the Chiron. What we do know is that it cost a staggering $18.7 million, making it the most expensive new car ever sold, and to this day, nobody knows for sure who bought it. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the epitome of luxury, the zenith of automotive craftsmanship, and the ultimate symbol of opulence. The car that sits atop the automotive Mount Olympus, the undisputed king of the automotive jungle. A marvel that transcends mere transportation and enters the realm of pure art. Prepare yourselves, because this is it, the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail, a vehicle so exclusive, so rare, that it redefines what it means to be a luxury car. This isn't just a car, it's a work of art on wheels, every curve, every line, meticulously crafted to perfection. A bespoke masterpiece commissioned by a client with more money than sense, and a desire for something truly unique, a creation that stands alone in its class. The La Rose Noire Droptail is a coach-built masterpiece, a one-off creation that took over 2 years to design and build, a labor of love and an exercise in unparalleled craftsmanship. It's finished in a deep, lustrous black paint that shimmers in the sunlight, accented by hand-painted rose motifs. Each stroke a testament to the artisan's skill. And then there's the interior, a symphony of leather, wood and rose gold with bespoke details that would make your head spin, a cabin that cocoons you in luxury. But here's the kicker: rumor has it that the owner of the La Rose Noire Droptail has never even driven it. A $30 million masterpiece destined to be a garage queen, admired but untouched. So there you have it, the 10 most expensive cars in the world. These aren't just vehicles, they are the epitome of luxury. Engineering marvels that push the boundaries of what's possible. Machines so rare, so expensive, they exist in a realm most of us can only dream about. Each one is a masterpiece, a blend of art and technology that captivates the imagination, which begs the question, what's the point? Why do these cars exist if only a select few can ever own them? Why spend millions on a car you can't drive? Is it just a status symbol, or is there something more profound at play? For some, it's about art. These cars are sculptures on wheels, rolling testaments to the boundless creativity of the human spirit. These vehicles are not just about speed or performance, they're about the craftsmanship, the attention to detail, and the passion that goes into creating something truly extraordinary. For others, it's about status, a way to show the world that you've made it, that you've arrived. Owning one of these cars is a statement, a declaration of success and achievement. It's a way to stand out in a world where everyone is trying to make their mark. Would I drive one? In a heartbeat. The thrill of being behind the wheel of such a masterpiece is an experience like no other. Would I lock it away in a garage? Never. These cars are meant to be driven, to be enjoyed, to be experienced. These cars were made to be driven, to be enjoyed, to be experienced. So what about you? Would you take the plunge and drive one of these incredible machines? Would you drive one of these automotive masterpieces, or would you keep it locked away forever? The choice is yours. Let me know in the comments below. Your thoughts and opinions matter, and I'd love to hear what you think about these extraordinary vehicles.